Hello friends, welcome to Quick Learning. So today our topic is phylum Onychophora and peripatus. So today we are going to study about Onychophora and peripatus general characteristics. So Onychophora, generally Onychophora means onychus. Onychus means claws. Okay, and phorus. Phorus means bearing. So Onychophora means claws bearing. Okay, clear? Onychus means claws and phorus means bearing. So onychophora means claws bearing. It is an ancient phylum. Okay, and has not changed greatly since its origin in Cambrian period. It includes those vertebrates which are included into a single genus Peripatus having 110 species. The genus Peripatus was established in 1826 by Goulding. He regarded it as a mollusk. By 1886, by Goulding, he regarded it as a mollusk, Peripatus. In 1874, Mosley classified it as an primitive arthropoda, discovering the trachea. Okay, so these are some general terms which we have to learn and we have to memorize. So now I'm going to start the general characters of Onychophora. So firstly I want to say that the Onychophora, they have specialized for life in life litter and plant debris and are adapted for squeezing through narrow spaces and cavities. And normally they are found in rocks, under bark, in stones and moist place in tropical region. So they will find they will found in rocks, then under bark, in stones, and in moist places in tropical region. Okay, now the second point is they have a worm like and indistinctly segmented body. So their body will worm like. Okay, so they have worm like and indistinctly indistinctly segmented body. Now the point will be the third point will be uh, their head is composed of three bearing somites. Okay, their head is composed of three limbed. Limbed means leg. Okay. Limb bearing somite. Thus, so their head is composed of three limb bearing somites. So thus head bears three pairs of appendages. Okay, that is a pair of antennae, a pair of peribuccal lobes, which will hiding their jaws, and lastly a pair of oral or slime papillae. So, at the base of each antenna is found in simple eye. So, normally we say that their head is composed of three limbed bearing somites, that are a pair of antenna, a pair of peribuccal lobes hiding their which help hiding their jaws, and a pair of oral or slime papillae. So, these are some general characters of onychophora. And now we will move on peripatus. Peripatus. Okay. So its distribution is, peripatus is exhibits discontinuous geographical distribution and is found in warmer parts of the world such as tropical regions like East Indies, West Indies, Himalayas. So as I said that they exhibit discontinuous geographical distribution and found warmer parts of the world. So these are some warmer parts of the world: East Indies, West Indies, Himalayas, Congo, and northern parts of Southern America. These are some warmer tropical regions. Okay, it is also found in temperate region of southern hemisphere. If you want to note it to if you want to note these points, so you can note down. So now move on. The common name of the common name of peripatus, it is very important, is velvet worm. Okay, you have to mention this name. The common name of peripatus is velvet worm. Now habit and habitat. We have to talk some habit and habitat. Sorry for the disturbing. Actually, common name of peripatus is velvet worm. Habit and habitat. So peripatus is terrestrial. It is terrestrial, nocturnal, and predaceous. These are very important terms. You have to note down it. They are terrestrial, they are nocturnal, and predaceous. Animal. Predaceous animal. Now another important point. It confined to dark, warm and humid habitats during cold and dry periods, peripatus become inactive. Okay, during cold, they became inactive and remains hidden in burrows. So, peripatus is predaceous and feeds on small vertebrates such as snails, insects, and worms. Now, I want to draw a diagram of peripatus external feature, so we will be more clarify how it looks like. So it having these types of some segmented body, they have some eyes, tuber claws, they have some antennas like this. I draw it roughly, but you have to draw on your exam paper very nicely. This is oral papilla. As I said, this is antenna. This is mouth from which they eat snail, insect and worm. And these are some claws. Peripatus normally found in power plants. If you have plant in your garden, we will see peripatus. They will normally generally they are in three phases of life, and all phases of life they have three types of color. Like young, they are light green, in adult dark green, and they become older, they will turn into light orange, then yellowish like dark orange, then they will die. So these are some part, trunk appendages, or legs. Okay, these are claws, and this is anus. Okay, their body is looking like this. They are very attractive in look. Their body are very soft. Okay, these are some tubercles. So these are tubercles. So this is the diagram of peripatus. External feature. Okay, now you will, I think you all are clear about its distribution, habit and habitat. Okay, so from this I will conclude that onchyphora and peripatus are belonging the same class, same phylum. So they have a worm-like body, worm-like segmented body, and peripatus is mostly found East Indias, West Indias, and Himalayas, North regions, Cambium, and the most important thing is peripatus nickname or common name is velvet worm. We have to remember this thing. Okay. And 1826 by Golding, they say that it is mollusk. Phylum belong to the phylum mollusk. And oncus means claws and phorus means bearing. So onchyphorus means claws bearing. Okay. So these are claws. So peripatus also claws bearing. So we will say it is peripatus. And peripatus having some eyes, antennas like this, oral papilla. This is mouth, and this is its segmented like body. Okay, you can see this segmented like bodies, and having a trunk, trunk appendages or legs. These are claws, anus, and tubercles. So thank you. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and please comment below